Livestock trailer. It does have some rust down here. Some rust through here. 6-hole rim. We'll open it up and get the measurements for you. Looks like it has a separating gate inside as well. Some of these boards are going to need some attention right here, right here. You can see where those rust holes are going in through here. It's a little loose. Okay, I'll get the full width of this. Alright, inside it looks like it is 16 feet 7 inches long. The width of this is 5 feet 11 inches, almost 6 feet wide. You're going to buy this Absolute on Tractor House Auction.